Preschool parents and caregivers, it's Allison Mazarak, pediatric occupational therapist. Coming to you today to talk about some fine motor skills and some strengthening skills for your preschooler's hands. And I have a helper today. I have my 5-year-old Violet, and she's going to help us with something that we discovered we can make fun at home with something we have a lot of, and it is socks who have lost their mates. So we have taken socks and we do puppet shows with the socks. So a kind of a cool thing is if you have a parent or a caregiver and the little one, you can do all kinds of things that get these tiny muscles moving in their hands. They can talk. Well, hello there. How are you? They can touch another one. They can grab. They can pick up things you may have laying around, holding onto a pen, holding on to really tiny objects that you have. This activity can really get to be a lot of fun, and it can also become a really good language activity too. So it's sort of a two-in-one, and you can explore a lot of things with our little puppets, and it really costs nothing because we didn't have to buy anything special, did we?
No.
No. So we have some fun with this, and it's working on a lot of skills. So try this at home. Good luck, and let me know what you think. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.